Sneeze, germs at warp speed. A single sneeze can blast 100,000 germs through the air at a staggering 100 miles per hour, transforming a simple achoo into a high-speed bacterial launch. Imagine the next time you feel a tickle in your nose, it's like unleashing a microscopic storm that can travel farther than you think. These tiny invaders can hang in the air, waiting to be inhaled by unsuspecting bystanders. It's not just about covering your mouth, it's about understanding the sheer power and reach of that sneeze. Stay mindful, because every sneeze packs a punch you can't see but definitely don't want to breathe in.